One blood clot Yanique across the board. That me blood clot say. Woman blood clot power. Go suck out your mother. One Yanique across the blood clot board. Woman power out here no blood clots. You have to lift up. You have to go away. Them for cancel your blood clot. I don't know a woman. I don't know a comment section I come bash the girl. Leave the girl alone. She a woman like Uno. Where she a go through, you can go through it. Are you perfect? Are you special? Bitch, you can sit right here. You can sit right here, right now. You can't sit down right as right now. Yeah, your fucking man I live good. And by tomorrow, the man go fuck by you. Cheat by you. So don't judge Yanique. Don't judge her. You're a woman. Stick with woman. We can't understand why these women are stand up for man. And the man them pan TikTok are stand up for man. The man them pan TikTok now stand up for woman. Me feel like say the man they put spell on it. Uno under spell. Uno definitely under blood clot spell. Uno can't tell me say uno no under spell. Because uno under spell. Cause me can't believe say no woman and no pick up for the man them. Every day you say man a kill pitney. Every day you say man a kill woman. Hello? Who you think? Hello? A man, unalive woman, you know, a pure man. You're not even say woman, an unalive woman, a pure man, an unalive woman. Man, every day you say man, an unalive woman. Every single number, you say man. Then if a man, then it love you know. Why the man them an unalive you know? Nah, nobody here. Me a talk with my mom, no nobody for my life. If the man them did blood clot love you know, why them a kill you know? Ask yourself that. So why pick up for your fucking man? World dog, you go suck him, mama. World dog, worthless, and you're too blood clot ungrateful. You're ungrateful. And me believe say, when do if hello, world are very aggressive and in full of attitude. So everything where Yanique say, I believe. Because him trying to call up on TikTok. Yes, you understand me. And you see when the camera lock off, me believe say a whole heap of things he might do to that girl. You know your girls say want to fight him up. Whole heap of things. Whole heap of blood clot things. They know none of them are man. The whole of them are the same thing. World Dawg, Jake. The whole of them is my father. The whole of them are the same blood clotting. The holy good father. We see on TikTok. I must say blood clot. Howie, Italy. The rest of them are germs. The rest of them are germs. That me blood clot say. Yeah, because the fucking ugly tough whole bumbo clot girl. I keep on a trouble fucking Yanique. She keep on a trouble Yanique. But if I me like Yanique, me not making go on with the house, you know. Cause when the house them say, they not married, so the house could have been a two of them name. The house that have to be in my name. Yanique, I hear that, you know. The house that have to be in my name. Yanique a fool, you know. Me say, let me tell you no blood clot this. Any man, when you deal with, I don't know married, I'm not married, and one by your blood clot house. Make me tell you this, if you put the most money, make sure the blood clot house in your name. No put no blood clot house in no man name. Because if any blood clot, if a man tell us, say, baby, if you don't put the house in my name, I'm gonna leave you. Make him go on. Baby, if you don't put the house in my name, I'm gonna make the blood clot boy go on. You idiot. You blood clot fool. Now make no man trick you. Come tell us, say, baby, put no name, put the house in my name. No. Make him go on a blood clots. You're ungrateful. Dirty world dog. And mash up the girl credit. You're ungrateful. I mean, nobody a talk about that. I mean, nobody a talk about that. You all know come out to come back, Yanique. You know, suck on the mama. All dirty blood clot, ugly sky, Grinch. When you go home? When no blood clot guy, you had suck up, you live in a foreign, you know, no fucking papers. You the next blood clot when I walk up and you just fly to an airport. You could blood clot do that. Leave the blood clot girl alone. Fucking old dirty old sodomite. You know what can fucking take how much fucking abomination and no stinking hole. You know what to take abomination and no stinking pussy. Leave blood clot Yanique alone. Because everything the world I talk no make no sense. And I'll come talk the woman business. I'll come talk about say the woman married to woman. Where were you when she help you? Where your people them there? When she help you? Where your people them there? The two blood. Let me tell you something, man. You say good woman don't deserve a bad man. Good woman always deserve a good man. But it's hard to find. Because let me tell you now. You see them man, yeah? Them come in your life and sweet you up. Baby, me love you. Baby, me this. Baby, me gonna treat you right. And then when them get a little hype, them throw you underneath the bus. Them are wicked. Them are blood clot wicked right now. You better you be single. Them are wicked. Me, I take white man till I wake. Me no want no black man. Them are wicked. Me no want no black man a blood clot. Them are wicked. Them are mama bumper clot. Wicked. Me no want them. Make them go on. Yeah. Baby, me love you. Baby, me go treat you right. And then you take them up. You clean them up. Then dash you underneath the bus. Them them a blood clot, them evil. Me no like them evil bad. So when him come and foreign, who did help him come and foreign? Yanique? Me supposed to took a flight in the same blood clot. Just I eat me coming last night. And me just blood clot sleep and wake up. Dirty girl, and me not take it off. Nasty girl. Let me tell you something. You can't cuss me and tell me about clothes. Cause clothes are three blood clot bags are clothes clothes and blood clot bag. The amount of bag when me buy yesterday and clothes. The amount of bag, big pussy girl and clothes when me buy yesterday. Me not take it off on my own. On my own. I mean the amount of people me just buy yesterday. Hold on. Me say bag pan blood clot bag. Bag dirty bitch. Dirty germs. Dirty germs. Let me come back and wait. Look here. On a vacation, me go up and I look how much bag me buy. Look here. Look here. Look here, people. The whole of them here where me buy. Every one of them here where me buy. See it here? Every one of them here where me buy for my vacation. You could come cuss me, stinking girl. You can't class me. Them here where me buy for my vacation. Cause me when me buy. When me buy, my shop and me buy everything big old girl. See them there? Them here some nice blood clot bag. When me buy some cute bag. Clothes. Clothes are where me have. Which you can't tell me about dress. And you can't tell me about clothes. Go and suck out your mother. You know matter if them cheap. Remember so they now do a vacation because they don't have a passport. And you can't buy a ticket. And me gonna walk through airport. A pure ice. Me never walk through blood clot airport and ice look for me yet. Me legal in a blood clot foreign. No ice can look on blood clot me. Me legal in a foreign blood clot. No ice can run me down a blood clot. I me say mago pan them, girl, mago pan them. Mago pan them cause you have your book and you not beg no friend. And clot that blood clot see. Right through. Move your blood clot and go ahead. Big up me. Yeah. Pure cute bag. Nice and look good. Material. Sick. The material and last, me buy that bag the online and see me that show with the cause the material the bag don't good online. Sick material. See them there? Sick. Nah done. Nah blood clot done. These are good material. See that? Good. Thick. Suck out your mama. I show me a big up Yanique and them love World Dawg. World Dawg go suck your mother. And one blood clot Yanique out here. And I wish the woman power. Woman blood clot power. About this dress in TK Maxx. TK Maxx. That's where I bought this dress. Nice. TK Maxx. I bought the dress in TK Maxx. Eh? I want some of them. Where they? I truly me buy fine on through the data. You live America? You live in Switzerland? You're telling me about TJ? You live in Europe? Did you live in Europe? You're telling me about TJ. Did you live here in Europe? Then if you don't live here, you shut your blood clot mouth. Because you're not living in Europe. Don't tell me what I know. I said TK Maxx. What are you telling me about TJ Maxx? TJ Maxx is America. Europe is Europe. Okay, honey? Ask the people in England. If I know TK Maxx, them have over there. That bag are nice. That one here nice.
Thanks for watching, guys. Leave your thoughts and comments below.